Hello guys, so today I'm going to show to you how you can use the Moonvalley AI model. So this is a text to video AI model, and the way it works is you go onto the website moonvalley.ai and then you click on try the beta, and here you will enter their Discord channel, and once you enter their Discord you will go on to Discord server. Once you go enter, you will go onto a channel that says New Moon, and either one of those will work. Now once you go onto here, you will click on slash and then create, and then you will add a prompt. So let's just say our prompt is a ball bouncing on a street, and then let's just say style, let's put realism, and duration, it's going to be a short video, and then we're going to click on send. And as you can see here, it says they are working on my video and they will notify me when it's ready. Now this usually takes a bit of time because there's a lot of these videos that they need to generate, so it takes them about a minute. And here we are a few minutes later, and as you can see, our video has been finished. So let's just see how it looks. So yeah, this is the final product, and yeah, it's a really easy and simple process to generate your video. So thank you for listening, and I hope that this video is helpful.